kind of crazy. I haven't been on camera in so long. But I decided to just vlog a day. This week was my first week of work, first week in that corporate life, and I'm resetting and, you know, prepping early for the next week. But I'm cleaning up my room. I have stuff everywhere. Okay, perfect, thank you. So I'm trying to get an apartment, but they talking about some washer and dryer hookups, like not installed in unit. Like, why would I go out and buy an apartment and dryer to put in somebody else's apartment? But that's LA for you. Did our dishes, cleaned the kitchen, and now it's time to fold. I know I'm getting with my trash bags, but mind your business. How do y'all feel about gospel music that's like not made by somebody who's like that you would look at as a gospel figure? For example, Kanye West. Kanye West makes gospel music, quote unquote. But I would argue, and I think a lot of people would agree, that he's not like, you wouldn't think like Christianity and just think of Kanye West, you know? So like, or what's her name, that girl? Queen Naija, she makes gospel music too, but she's not somebody I would look at and be like, oh yeah, that's like a gospel figure, like she's a figure of Christianity. So how do y'all feel about listening to that type of music? Just so y'all, ooh. This is where I'm putting my clothes. I love my closet, and this is how I organize. Each bucket like is a certain thing.
So there's no workout pants, workout tops, shirts, but like chill shirts. That's miscellaneous. So this is like going out clothes, like party clothes that I don't need normally. These are both denim jeans and shorts. Oh, just denim shorts, sorry, not jeans. These are like everyday tops that I wear. This is miscellaneous shorts.
Denim jeans, obviously, and then it just goes down by color. And I got some like bright color stuff. Oh, this is my grad stuff. That's my closet. So I'm just gonna write out my to-do list. Usually I write out a to-do list the day before so I can prepare and plan for my day, but I didn't yesterday. That's just it. So like yesterday, here were my July 1 to-dos. It's kind of short, and the only thing I didn't do was wash sheets / clean room, so I'm doing that right now. Okay, so those are my to-dos for the day. Finish cleaning my room, tour this apartment, exercise, prep content for everything, go to the grocery store, cook dinner, and yeah. Like, I try not to overwhelm myself with my to-do list, but it's always so satisfying to just like cross stuff off. Ooh. Focus on me. Today's vibe, now that we're ready, I'm gonna eat real quick. I forgot to show out earlier, but I ate breakfast. So we finna go head out and check out this apartment. Come on. Right. Or why they keep making like the same this? It's like a compound. It's kind of scary.
It is. Because also, why couldn't they just make it the same style?
Yeah. She know I'm trying to move fast. I already told her. Hi.
You have been talking to her on the phone?
Yes, me,
okay.
Amber.
Okay, Amber. Oh, Makila, I'm so sorry. Nice to meet you. Come on.
Nice to meet you.
So these are identical.
Okay.
And I think you guys will apply for this one, and then that guy's probably gonna take the one next door.
Got it.
Did you see anybody else out front by chance?
We did not.
Okay. I get so many no-shows on this property. I don't know what it is.
Good for us.
Right.
Okay, cool. This is the first bedroom. Don't hide, girl. Closet. Yeah, the color is cute. Kitchen.
This one has good light in here too.
Beautiful lights. Now we're gonna head upstairs. You know how we got that thing up there? That's where they put our Wi-Fi and stuff. It's the attic. The attic. That one kind of janky. Okay, another closet. Another bedroom. Okay, y'all. The problem we have in these apartments is that they all look the same and they're all small. But yeah. Okay. Okay. It's the second room. Water pressure not on great. I'm gonna have to fix that. No.
I just thought that all of the rooms were going to be the size of the
Downstairs. Yeah, these are smaller. These are smaller up here. Is it bigger than your current room? No. Dang.
Is it smaller or about the same size? I feel like it's about the same size. It is a bigger
Closet?
house.
Okay.
But that'd be smaller.
Oh.
How are you feeling?
I don't know, I just want this to be over. I do like the price too.
Insane.
It's only like $9.
And I like the downstairs.
The downstairs is nice. We have a nice living area. Nice.
What room would you get?
Me? What room would I pick? Downstairs. Downstairs.
Definitely downstairs. I don't know. I would definitely go to the one back there.
Back there. I think, yeah. Jakaya will want either this one or this one. Okay. We think the real question is this room too small? Because this is the smallest room.
But also,
I can see a bed right there though.
how much furniture do you got?
None. I have my desk and stuff.
Yeah.
I work for a home, so honestly, if they was considering that other one was heinous. It was so small. And the sinks, let me show you where the sink was. The sink was like this. I'm not even joking. I'm not even exaggerating. It was from here to here. I'm not even joking. I swear.
What is with that?
And all the bathrooms were like right by each other. So like it was like bathroom, 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 bathroom. It was very weird. Very like girl sitcom vibes.
Oh no.
Like, you know. Yeah, it felt like a TV show or something. Cues. I'm trying to think of questions. I think security deposit is the same as rent.
It is, okay.
I mean, utilities separate.
Yeah, water, trash, gas, electric. But the nice thing is it's new construction and like pretty energy efficient.
The washer and dryer, you said that could be a possibility. Were you able to check?
Yeah,
okay.
I can check for you. It would go down to the garage. That's where the hookups are.
Okay.
I don't know if you saw the garage. I don't know if you guys looked.
Oh, we haven't looked yet.
It's off the front door downstairs.
Okay, yeah, that would be extremely ideal for us.
Okay.
We don't have a washer or dryer, nor do we want to buy one.
I understand.
But other than that, like everything looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, everything looks good.
When did you want to move in again?
July 17th. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let me know if you have any other questions.
Thank you. Oh, this deep, bro.
Oh, wow.
3 cars for sure. Right? Yeah, they just tandem, which is unfortunate. That's where the washer and dryer would be. It's not ideal, but at least it's here. Okay guys, so that went well. I think we're gonna try to get that one. Fingers crossed.
I like it.
The price is amazing, only $9.50 a month per person. Chef's kiss in LA. It's kind of crazy. It's not like the ideal place I wanted to live, but it's not far from my work. And yeah, got anything to say to the vloggy vlog?
I like
Any tips for apartment hunting?
Oh, I haven't done that. Don't give up. And God will bless you.
Yeah.
Don't wait till the last minute.
Don't compromise your must-haves. Like whatever your must-haves are, do not compromise it.
If you are in a group, take charge, because then you get the best room.
You're right. Even though it's more work.
It is more work, but it's
stamped.
reward.
In case y'all didn't notice, we don't have no car here. So it's all Lyft and Uber. We walk into the gas station to get some water, and then we're gonna go for a hike. Secured our snacks. Life will be so much better once I get a car. Man. Where you live, girl?
Nice glasses.
Oh, thanks.
What's happening?
Wait, just a boy right there.
Where? First of all, why is this locked though? I'm confused. Is it not?
Oh.
Oh, geez. I was like, what?
Every other Sunday we used to go for a hike, but we fell off like towards the end of the semester. So this is very exciting.
Yes, that's why I was like, old people doing this?
Oh wow.
I was like, I'm scared.
Cahuenga Park. Okay. I love hikes because it's a chance to reset. Do you feel that about hikes too?
Yeah. Whew. I feel like because it got a goal that I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like instant gratification, but not at the same time because you have to work for it. So it's nice.
Ooh.
But yeah. Should we scream like we did on the other hike?
There's people right here. We could actually. Maybe we prepare them now. Hey guys, we can scream.
We scream to let out all of our like stress and anxiety and stuff. But maybe we won't do that because there's people here. But yeah.
How was the hike?
It was so great. It was hard, but fun
And
and
dusty.
good.
Yeah, we got real dirty. But we're back home. We showered, we went to the grocery store. I'm vegan, and he was vegetarian. So yeah, let's show y'all what we about to cook. We got baked beans. We're gonna make pasta salad. I'm gonna make her some macaroni. Regular macaroni, not vegan macaroni. But I'll make her some. And is that it?
Burgers.
Oh, and burgers. So Makila been over here working. She made the baked beans. They're about to go into the oven. And the pasta salad is, you know, basically done. It just needs dressing. Big things. Get into this macaroni and cheese, okay? This is your grandma mac and cheese on 10. It's been a while, but we're done cooking. We have burgers, corn, baked beans, macaroni, and pasta salads. And I made some baked sweet potatoes. But yeah. But this is where we're gonna end this vloggy vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, you already know what to do. Don't play. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.